So, the biosphere. The biosphere includes those parts of the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. You see, the atmosphere is outside, hydrosphere is the water, lithosphere is the crust. All these together is called the biosphere. Okay, where life exists, where we are there, plants are there, animals are there. This is so because living organisms cannot exist without air, land, and water. Each living organism has its specific environment in which it exists, and that is called its habitat. All living beings of an area, plants, animals, and other creatures functioning together as a unit with their environment make an ecosystem. The biosphere makes up a very small part of the Earth's mass. This is the layer that makes the living on Earth possible. It's a very small mass part. So that's the part where it includes all these things: water, land, and air. These three things are needed. Now, suppose you are staying in your house. Then you are human beings. You need air, land, and water. You need the plants. You need trees. You need animals also. Now, you cannot live with tigers, right? You cannot live with lions or elephants. You are not wild. You are not a wild person. So your habitat is okay. Dogs are okay. Cats are okay. Chickens are okay. Hens are okay. Ducks are okay. Cows are okay. But you cannot live with elephants and snakes and all. Snakes are also there in your area. Everywhere there are snakes. But they don't live with you. They don't come out. They are a different type of habitat they have. They live under the ground in their burrows or the snake holes. Their habitat is different. So you are not accustomed to that. You are going to chase it away if it comes, or you might kill it, which is not good. You should not kill anything. So you chase it away. But if a dog comes, okay, you can give it food. But if a snake comes, you will not say, come and have dinner with me, or come, take one bread, or take some chips. You won't do that, right? So that's the ecosystem in which we try to get ourselves adjusted. That is the ecosystem. We cannot have fish in our house, right? We cannot have a whale. We cannot want the sea. We cannot go and stay in the sea. As you said, we need water, so that is salt water. There is air also, salt water is there, but there is no land there in the sea. You can't drink anything. That is also a problem. So, these three things have to function together: human beings, plants, and animals, and whatever other creatures are there. You have to adjust in that. Whatever the type of adjust, the functioning together is called the ecosystem. This biosphere, this including of land, air, and water, includes and helps life, and it has given life on the earth. Other planets don't have it. The biosphere. Okay? Now, a biotic and biotic. A biotic is land, water, and air which makes up the environment, and all living organisms is called a biotic. And namely, plants, animals, and humans make up the non-living things are the biotic, and plants and all living things are biotic. So this is a basic thing. A biotic and biotic, when you go to class 9, 10, you are going to learn more about it. So I will not explain anything more about it. That's just for our knowledge. So what you are going to do is you are going to read through the chapter again thoroughly and try to understand it. Please learn the word meanings. Marine is connected to the sea with sea creatures, plants that lives there. Crust is the outermost layer. Okay, you have to learn these, please. I'm telling you. And you can answer these whatever happens. It won't be a problem. Unscramble the letters to form the correct words on page 57 is: life is found in seawater, that is marine life. The gas needed by plants for making food, carbon dioxide. The surface of the earth made up of rock and soil, lithosphere. The innermost layer of the earth, core. The sphere in which life is found, biosphere. Choose the correct answers. What percent of earth is covered by land? Land is how much covered by? That you have to say. Okay. Which of these are the main sources of fresh water? Rivers, lakes, ponds, rivers, lakes and ponds, all of these. Which of these help in formation of clouds? Water vapor. What is the most important gas for survival? Oxygen. What is the layer below the crust known as? Below the crust is the mantle. Okay, so you have to get that done. It is your thing and you have to do it. Okay, so please look into that, and I have told you most of it. Come on, it's 29% is land. So 29% is land, you can do that. Fill in the blanks, you do it yourself. Match the followings, please do it. And question answers also you can solve. What are the 4 spheres of environment? It is there in the book. List the importance of the hydrosphere, please write from there. Explain the water cycle, it is there. Name the gases found in the atmosphere, you know that. Why is the biosphere so important? Just now we did it. The biosphere is important because these 3 things together, land, water and air, we all need this to survive. Okay, so you have to do that, write the answers and keep it with you. When I give the answers, please match it with it and see it how it goes on. Okay, so till then, please do take care of yourselves and be good and study, and best of luck for your exams as well. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye, God bless and take care.